Stephen, here at the Star GB Open House, recently Tungaloi have started working with Star, putting your cutting tools into their machines. A couple of questions for you. Firstly, why do you think Star would reach out to you? What advantages do Tungaloi tools have maybe over other sliding head lathe cutting tools?
The reason Star initially reached out to us is through customer feedback. A lot of their customers have started using our product, and it's given them some advantages that Star have liked the sound of and got us involved.
Now, I'm right to say you've got a 300-page catalogue, haven't you, on sliding head lathe tooling? I didn't even know about Tungaloi doing sliding head lathe tooling. That's incredible.
Yeah, we've got a dedicated catalogue to sliding head tooling. We're constantly expanding on that and updating it and giving the tools a revamp.
Now, what I find interesting, and I'm sure our audience will as well, is the fact that when I challenged you and said, OK, do your cutting tools make the parts faster? You had quite a good answer to that. If you could just maybe reiterate for our audience.
Yeah, sure. On sliding head machines, it's not about cycle time. Cycle times are already pretty much where they want to be and need to be. So it's about optimising tool life and swarf control. And our tools give both of those options in chip breakers and grades that we've got available.
So if you can optimise those, you can get more of a reliable machining.
Reliability, yeah.
And when we talk about reliability, then of course that means less downtime, doesn't it? That's where we're going.
Absolutely. I mean, if you're constantly having to stop the machine for swarf problems, you're losing any cycle time you've gained on using a sliding head machine. So by optimising swarf control, you optimise tool cycle time, and at the same time you get the reliability from the tool wear as well.
Now, I must imagine that having a 300-page brochure, there isn't many tools that you won't be able to supply. Is it a very extensive range that Tungaloi do? And if it is, can you just give us a quick overview of some of the tools that are involved?
Yeah, absolutely. We've developed systems specifically towards the turning of parts on sliding head machines with both conventional and non-standard inserts. We've also got an extensive range of grooving tools, boring tools. We've even started going down the route of drilling tools now for sliding head machines. So yeah, it's a very extensive range.
Inserts, bodies, the whole lot.
Yeah, we've even gone down the route of producing sliding head machines. A lot of sliding head machines now come with live tooling. So we've started developing milling cutters specifically for sliding head machines, going down to diameters as small as 10 mil.
So there's an option you may not have known about, Tungaloi supplying the tooling for sliding head lathes. That's it from me here at the Star GB Open House.